Morning. So it gives me great pleasure, and I want to thank dignitaries on the dais, Ajay, Sawhney, Nitin, and all, including Frank, as well as the dignitaries in the room, and all the media friends, as well as the industry collaboration companies that we have over the years worked on, and just building up from where Frank left it. It's been a great journey for the company. As many of you would know, last year we celebrated 50 years for the company as Intel. And out of that 50 years, 20 years is what we have spent in India. And across the 20 years, that journey has been, like Frank mentioned, research and development, of course, market development, and a large part of the market development efforts has been to build an ecosystem of which manufacturing ecosystem is a part, can lay the ground for a fantastic journey that India is on. And today's announcement is a great culmination of few things. One, a progressive government at the federal level talking about digital India, and also Make in India being a significant part of that charter to get to a net zero import in not too distant future. Second, a progressive government in the state of Kerala, who is also committed towards furthering the cause of the ecosystem. And lastly is the private sector. Like Frank mentioned, UST Global as well as Intel working together, combined with the force of the government, has made this happen. And if you really ask me, 18 months back, in August 2017, when we started this journey along with UST Global, I never thought we would get here this quickly. So in 18 months, we have done feasibility study. We have incorporated a company that's a JV with majority private sector owned and minority being government. And we have come to a stage where we have actually built a product in this country, which is the announcement that we would make. And it gives me immense pleasure on just the kind of collaboration that has happened. So Coconics, and I would get Coconics team to come up on stage very shortly. That's a company that is built a manufacturing plant with over 250,000 capacity for laptops. And when you look at the market demand of a market as huge as India, as underpenetrated as India, the opportunity of this JV to really break through and create a vision and translate that vision to reality of the market demand combined with the market supply built locally is second to none. And the next step to that would be not only building for the country, but building for the world. And that really is the background or the overarching theme for the entire conference. So it gives me immense pride to be part of this effort. It gives me a huge amount of relief as well as, I would say, happiness to be able to be where we are today. So I would wish the entire Coconics team all the very best for the future and would request them to come up on stage.
It started with a vision to cater to the technological needs of India right here in God's own country.
The whole idea of Coconics is to create a vibrant hardware manufacturing ecosystem in the state of Kerala.
An idea which can revolutionize the technological landscape of our country, where 65% of the total technological requirements are being met by imports. But why bring such a project to Kerala? The state is generally not considered a major manufacturing hub. Unknown to many, Kerala's electronic manufacturing history spans from 1973 with KELTRON, India's first and largest state electronic enterprise, to modern-day technological giants such as UST Global.
UST Global relationship with Intel as a strategic partner really helped to take Coconics off the ground. This is further augmented by the investment, commitment and support by the government of Kerala, which made Coconics a reality.
Supported by Intel, what followed is a first-of-its-kind joint venture with industries and electronic development agencies of the state government, a leading IT major in the private sector, and an innovative young startup company. This evolved as Coconics. After analyzing purchase patterns, the government of Kerala has aggregated a demand and specifications of laptops, soon to be met by Coconics. With needs closer to home met, Coconics will soon set out to cater the technological requirements of the world, right here, from the land of coconuts. Or should I say, land of Coconics.
Thank you. I would request Honorable Secretary to come up and introduce the product to the audience.